My name is Seth Mahiga. I'm the Cabinet Secretary of this organization, Foreign Affairs Department, and we are here to make a statement on behalf of Western Sahara. And here is my assistant, Mr. Rono, who is ready to read a statement. You're welcome.
We urge the United Nations, European Union, and African Union. On behalf of this organization, we want to push for the freedom of Western Sahara and peace of La Guera, and to be one union and state for the freedom of Western Sahara. We recognize the effort of Prince Muli and Seth Mahiga of this organization.
Yeah, thank you so much. And we want to say that we will continue pushing for the freedom of Western Sahara until when they get their freedom. Thank you.